Marie Lockwood. Thanks for joining us here at Cakes, Cooking and More. Today's recipe is a very quick and easy one. Even if you have never cooked anything in your life, you should be able to do this very, very simply. This is a sweet baby carrots. It's a great side. So let's see what we need. Okay, so today we have an extremely simple side. If you're looking for something a little different without a lot of effort, you can do this very quickly. So what I have here is a bag of baby carrots. You want to make sure you rinse those and then just boil them until they're soft enough that you can stick a fork through them easily. Once they're done, rinse them again, put them back in your same pan. We're going to add a little bit of butter and a little bit of brown sugar. Now I use light brown sugar because it doesn't have as much of a sticky sweet taste as the heavier. And you're just going to keep cooking that until your butter is completely melted. What this does is it's just going to make your baby carrots a nice light sweetness to them. So it's a great side for, I usually do it with chicken. Chicken has a light taste, these have a light taste, and it's not too heavy if you don't go a little crazy with the sugar. So normally you would pack your sugar down as much as you can. I do 2 very loose tablespoons of sugar, and it's just right for an entire bag of baby carrots. So once our butter is melted, we'll be back. Okay, now that our butter is melted, you can see we've brought it to a nice little boil. We're going to turn our heat down, and you just want to simmer it for 2 or 3 minutes, just enough to really get the flavor in there. You don't need it on real high, and you want to stir pretty often. You don't want the sugar to burn to the bottom of your pan. But just keep letting those simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so after our 3 minutes, I let them cool for about 2 or 3 minutes just to help soak in a little more and so that they don't burn anyone, because the sugar can be kind of hot when you first try to eat it. I've got a draining spoon, and you want to drain off as much of the excess butter and sugar as you can. And if you don't want to use a serving dish, you don't have to. You can put it straight onto someone's plate. I just use a serving dish for looks. Alright, once that's done, that is it, and they're ready to eat. So I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for joining us here at Cakes, Cooking and More. I'm Marie Lockwood. Have a great day.